Many billionaires for Nigeria today don thief government money. Orji Kalu. Welcome country people to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go give you notice once we drop update. Make you like, comment and share our videos. Country people, the former governor of Abia State and I be the senator when they represent Abia North for the Nigerian Senate, Orji Uzor Kalu. He don come out to make bold allegations. He dey talk say plenty of Nigerian billionaires today, they get their fortunes, they get their wealth through tiffy government money. He say these wealthy Nigerians dem, he say nobody know them during the challenging years of 1997 and 1998. By that statement, im dey talk say the money wey dem get today, e no get legitimacy. For one meeting wey e dey do with journalist Dele Momodu and fashion designer Sheyi Vodi, Kalu come talk say na only select few, when e include himself, e say na get their money honestly. E say almost everyone wey you dey see today when e be billionaire, e say dem thief government money. And by dis talk so, im dey highlight say corruption e dey very strong for Nigeria. Kalu no hold anything back when e dey talk am o. E say if dem make am vex, e no go waste time to call out people names when e believe say dem dey involved for dis corruption. E come go further to say if the use of dollars dem stop am today, e say e go expose how these wealthy individuals go struggle to maintain their lifestyles. E say the ongoing conversion where dem dey convert the money wey dem steal to dollars, e say e no dey help the economy at all. E come dey make am difficult for the ordinary Nigerian to prosper. Dis talk wey Orji Kalu don talk so, of course, e don trigger reactions amongst Nigerians, that even some don dey comment upon wetin e talk. Some dey say Kanu na big liar. E say wetin happen for im regime as governor for 1999, for 8 years. E say some people just like to talk, make dem hear dem say dem dey talk. E say dem know Kalu story because people grow up with am. Another one come say, thank God say you know say people steal, and because we politicians too like them, you also steal. Another one dey say Kalu na big thief o. He say e dey talk shamelessly. That na their opinion. Somebody dey say Kalu, you be beneficiary because even your mother, e get link to General Babangida. Some others dey talk different things. They say wetin Kalu talk so na true. 99.9% of billionaire when e dey waka for Nigeria, e say dem dey guilty. Dem dey say lie no dey for wetin e talk. E say if not be true, make these billionaires dem come out But one thing when people go understand, when Kanu say majority of these billionaires for Nigerians show there's still government money, somebody go begin to think, but they not put them for power now. How they take get access? Although the Tory not talk say Kanu expatiate, but obviously as an elite, he know wetin in they talk because these men they dey enjoy government patronage. They dey do waivers for them up and down. That money when they're supposed to take pay for their businesses, or maybe they do importation, government go just grant them waiver, and that way the country go dey bleed. Why these men they make money upon money? That one too, now stealing. That one now stealing. So when you look stealing for all the dimensions, you go see and say where they get advantage over the interest of the country, that itself now stealing. The ones when you get access to do contracts, they don't give them mobilization and they not do the job. That one itself now stealing. So many things he qualify to show. So these money mongers them, true, that they steal from the government purse through the shady business when they do with the people in authority at any given time. And so when Orji Kalu they talk, he definitely know wetin he they talk. And that is why he they warn them. Say if anybody make am vex, he go begin call names. Well, e not just dey enough to make allegations like they talk for law lexicon. Say now the person when he dey allege, now he go prove. If for good, make him come out to say now so and so people, so that they go come challenge am, and na there the true story go come out. But wetin dey dey very ironical, he can't single himself out, say na only him one. He dey among the few people where they make their money legitimately. E dey laughable sha. E dey laughable because Nigerians will still recall all the plenty cases when he get, when they even come sentence am to prison, make he go prison, go cool off first. Before Nigeria can happen, he can't come back to the Senate. Although they go say na victimization and all whatnot. Say the country be like cruise. So anybody can just stand up and make some declarations. It be like one politician too, when he talks say he not like money. And according to another politician, he dey talk say he not like money and they receive dollars for where in dey. Country people, Orji Kalu, na politician and businessman. And for wetin he dey talk so, he no enjoy any undue advantage from government. So now make in billions, he dey clean. Na true in the talk so, abi he dey talk because na he hold the microphone. Una share.